Hello guys, if you want to learn meta ads in 2026, this course is for you. This course is not like the other courses on YouTube in which people talk about meta ads and just do some practical things. This will be the 100% practical course for beginners in which I will teach everything from scratch. Like I will teach you how to create page, how to set up Meta Business Suite, how to create ad manager, how to set up different type of campaigns, and how to create retargeting and lookalike audiences. And everything will be included in this course. And I will go with my client. Firstly, I will set up accounts for my client, and then I will also teach you everything. So here you can see this is my Facebook ID, and first of all I need to create a page for my client. So simply you have to click on menus, and here you can find pages. Simply click on pages, and here you will find your other pages. Like I want to create a new page, I will click on create page, and I have two options. First one is public page, second one upgrade your existing profile. So I will go with public page. I will click here and click next and get started. Firstly, I have to choose name for my page. So my client page name will be Sigma Realtors. Now I need to choose category. I will see real and I will go with property, real agent. Now I need to write a bio. I will simply write best realtors in Islamabad, Pakistan. I'm just writing for example, and later I will optimize it, and I'll click on create page. This will take few seconds and you will have your page. Yes, our page is created. Now I need to write contact details. So firstly I will write my website www dot. Currently they don't have website. I will put my own website, thehamidkhan.com. I'm just writing to explain you, and you can write your client's website here. Like my client bought the domain mreal sigma realtors.com.pk, and then you have to add phone number. I will search Pakistan and write the phone number here. And here I need to write email, but right now I don't want. I will write address F8 Marcus, Islamabad. This will be the same for every type of page, so you can write your information here and click on next. So now you have to add profile picture and cover photo. So for profile picture and cover photo you can use Canva. Here you can see I created profile picture and cover photo. I just simply created, you can use your own creativity. So I will add here. Sorry, I will add here and also cover photo. Yeah, it's looking good. I'll click on next. And here I want to connect my WhatsApp business. I will again search Pakistan and type the number and click on get code. I will check in my phone. So you have to follow this with me. Like the step I'm following, I'm doing, you have to follow exactly these steps and you have to create something. If you don't have client right now, you just create a demo for your practice. I will go in my WhatsApp. I will click on get new code. Okay, I'm not getting this code because I already connected this WhatsApp business with another account. So right now I skip this step and here you can invite your friend to like your page and click on next and done. So your Facebook page is ready. So now we are going to create an Instagram account for Sigma Realtors. I will simply come here and search Instagram. I click here and click on login with Facebook and you can also sign up. I want to log in with Facebook. Continue as Sigma. I will say allow and continue. Now I will write the name. I will go for Sigma Realtors. Username will be Sigma Realtors PK and password will be my own. And I will click on sign up. Right now I think it's not available. So, I will click on sign up and you have two options, login with Facebook or sign up. For now I will just log in with Facebook and you have to follow allow and continue and then you have to put information, but you can also write manually like I will do. Simply click here on sign up and write your email, like I want to use this email. I'll write the password. Full name, Sigma Realtors, and username will be Sigma Realtors .pk, and sign up. I save this password and select the date of birth. I will go in October 15, 2001. Next, and I will get a verification code. So I open my Gmail here. I refresh it. Sometimes it takes time. Sometimes it takes time. Let's see when it will come. Yes, here is the code. I will copy and paste here. As you can see, our account is created. I will simply click on profile and then edit profile, change photo. I'll use this logo here. I'll write the bio, best realtors in Islamabad, Pakistan. Select your gender and submit. Our Instagram account is created. Now I just change the account to a business account. For that, I will just come here and click on account privacy. It's open. Now I refresh it. Here you can see my page. So I will click here on more options and click on settings. Now I will turn it into business account. I will click on account type. I will click on account type and tools and switch to professional account. It's a business. I click on next. Next, show category. I will select real estate. Real estate agents, but right now I will just go with real estate and done. Continue. And done. So our first step is completed. We have created our Facebook page and Instagram account. So now we are going to create a Meta business suite for that. So now I will just come back on Facebook, and here you can create a Meta business suite for your account. So I will just go on Ad Manager. When I will click here, as you can see, I automatically came in Ad Manager of Auto Profile. So now I need to create a business portfolio. So you have to follow this step exactly. Click on Create a Business Portfolio. I will give it name Sigma Realtors, and first name will be Sigma, last name will be Realtors, and business email I will just paste here. Click on Create. So now I have successfully created my business portfolio. Now I will select this page and select next. Here I can give access to another person. So for example, I want to give access to my another account, which is and here you can choose role. I will give full control and select next. Scroll down and confirm. Here I created business portfolio. So now in business portfolio we need to create ad account. I click on setting. Allow, close, and setting. You have multiple options. Like here you can see people who have access to your portfolio, like I have access and I also give to another person. Here you can add your partners like agencies, system users, and now this is also important, accounts. Like I want to include pages. So simply if you want to include another page, you can just click here and you can add an existing page on Facebook, request from someone, and create a new page. And here you have ad account. Right now we don't have ad account. For running ad you must need to create ad account. So for creating ad account, click here on add. Click on create a new ad account. So I will say Sigma Realtors ad account. I will select the time zone Karachi, select currency and select the currency PKR, and these things you cannot change later, so you have to select your currency. Like if you want to run ads in Pakistani currency, you can select. If you want to run ad in dirhams, you can select dirhams. If you want to run ad in reals, you can select the currency you want to run ads. I will select next. So here it will ask this ad account will be used for my business and other business or client. So I will say my business, say next. I'll click agree and create ad account. Here I need to add payment info. As you can see, I have a Pakistani ad account, Pakistani rupees currency and Pakistani time zone. Then I will go with next. I can go with credit card. So here you need to write your name, like I will have Sayed Shah, and your CVC, and click on save. So once you edit this, now you need to add Instagram account in your business portfolio, and for that you have to just come here in Instagram accounts and click on add. I'll say agree, click on claim Instagram account. It will suggest me to log in as a sigmarealtors.pk. It's loading and will take some time, so you have to wait and follow these steps as I do. So now you can see our Instagram account is added. I will click on done. So here you can assign access, like I want to give access to myself and another person. I will scroll down and give everything control. I will say assign. Go done. Then I need to add WhatsApp account. I click here. You have to create, you have two options, like create a new WhatsApp business account and link a WhatsApp business account. So I will just go with a link a WhatsApp business account. I will select Pakistan and then I will write number. I will click continue. It will ask for verification code. So it's 98591 98591. Click on continue. We have successfully linked our WhatsApp with business account, and I also want to give access of ad account and assign people full control and assign. Go done. Now WhatsApp account. So here our ad account is set up. Now we can run campaign. So in Meta Business Suite you have two options. Firstly, you can just click here and go with so now firstly we go in Meta Business Suite. Simply you click here on these three lines and click on Meta Business Suite. So I'll say get started, invite friend, and back. Select all and invite friend, close. So our Instagram account is incomplete, so I just click here and click on login with Instagram, click on continue, log in here, continue, done, and done. So we have successfully created pages and Meta Business Suite and Ad Manager. So you can use Ad Manager to run ads. When I click on Ad Manager, you can see it showing account overview, campaigns, audience, billing payments, and ad reporting. So I click on campaigns. Here you can set up your campaign, and I will also give you overview of Ad Manager account. So first of all, I click on account overview. Here you can see your opportunity score, your details like confirm, add a phone number, now I go with add a phone number. I write my phone number for verification. I will type here. I will click next. WhatsApp message, send text, it's 677 197. I'll click on submit and done. So everything is added. I'll just skip for now. And here you can see your campaigns, and you can create ad report from here. Here you can select your audiences, your advertising setting, billing and payments, event manager, and all tools. In all tools you will find different tools like instant forms, which we will use, and event managers, contents, everything else you will find here. Insights, audience insights, and you will also find the audiences, monetization, everything will be here. So if you are running ad for e-commerce business, it will be also helpful for you. So just for now, we will come back in campaigns, and I will teach you that how you can set up campaigns and what is the objective of campaign. I came here in campaigns. I will click on create. When I click on create, I have multiple options here. So first of all, I have to teach you that what is this all mean. Like choose a buying type, it's auction and reservation. So for now we are going in auction because Meta ads work on auction, like it shows the best ad to the people. And here are different objectives. The first one is awareness, and if you want to run ad for the awareness of your brand, like you are going to launch a new real estate project in a specific city, so you can go for awareness, in which you can get reach, brand awareness, and video views. Then second objective is traffic. If you want to send people to another destination, like if you want to send people on your website, if you want to send people on your WhatsApp, so you can use this objective. This is good for link clicks, landing page views, and Instagram profile visits. And the third one is engagement. Engagement is the most commonly used objective, in which you can get likes, video views, messages on WhatsApp, Messenger, and low cost. You can get conversions and calls. The next one is leads, in which you can get leads from on your website or through instant forms, and you can also get leads messages and calls. And another one is app promotion, so it's like app installs and app events. And the last one is sales and conversion, catalog sales, and WhatsApp and messages on different platforms like Instagram, Messenger, and WhatsApp. And you can also have calls. So one by one we will go through the all of campaigns according to the new Andromeda update. Right now on this account I don't have a lot of data, so I will use my another account where I will have data. So now, first of all, let's go with awareness campaign. So once I will click on awareness, I will go for continue. So here you can see the new awareness campaign. So first of all, you have to give name to your campaign. I will recommend you to just give name of campaign, then date of running campaign. As I say 1/8/2026, and you can also scroll down, and it's like advantage plus budget and A/B testing. So this will be used for the CBO, like campaign budget optimization, and which you will just spend money on this campaign, and it will be automatically distributed among different ad sets. So firstly, let's understand what is an ad set and what is a campaign and what's an ad. So this is a campaign in which you have these options, like you have to give name to your campaign, you have to select goal, you have to select budget if you want on campaign level, you can select A/B test and categories. So I don't want to select categories, I just want to give the name and select the goal awareness, then go for next. In awareness, I am right now in ad set. In ad set you can see there are a lot of options like performance goal and Facebook page, cost per result goal. So when I will click on performance goal, I will see the maximum number of impressions, maximum reach of ads, maximum ad recall left, like people will remember your ad, maximize through play views, maximize 2-second continuous video plays. So I will just go with maximize reach of ads, like I want to give more and more awareness to people about my project. I will just scroll down, and here you can select your Facebook page. I go personal. You can select another one, but I will go with Sigma Real Estate. Here you can click on more option. You can select the frequency, that how many times you want to show your ad to person. Like I want to show 3 times, 4 times in 7 days, like people will again and again see of my ad. Then I have option to create dynamic creatives, but right now I don't want to create it. Now I can select my daily budget. I will select daily budget of 1000 rupees, and you can select your start date and your end date, but right now I don't want to select an end date. When I need to pause, I will just simply pause the campaign. So I just scroll down, and here you have audience control. So this is advantage plus audience, so you can click on show more options, and here you will find different options like minimum wage and gender. And like I come here and I select advantage plus audience, and I want to show my ad to people with age of 30 to 60. I want to show my ad to only men's, and here I can add interest. So I will just recommend you to go with broad targeting, but in start you just simply give a direction to Meta to understand what's your audience about. So I will just say real estate. I just gave the interest of property industry, and on the right side it shows me that how many reach we can get in this budget a day. And here I can also add location. So here as you can see is Pakistan, so I want to run ad in Islamabad only. Islamabad. When you select the city you can select the radius, like I want to show 47 kilometer in radius, like it will target the nearby city of Islamabad. As you can see, Murree, Rawalpindi, Databad, Haripur, and different other regions will be included. So if you want to exclude some audience you can exclude, like I want to exclude Rawalpindi, so it will be excluded as you can see. Now just you can select the languages, like if you want to show ad only to those people whose language is Punjabi, it will be shown to them. You can also target like Pashto as you can see, but right now I will just go broad without selecting further targeting. I will just click on placement. So placement means that where your ad will show, and I will go with manual placement. It will show you about Facebook, Instagram, audience network. Audience network is like different Facebook apps like Facebook Lite and other different version of Facebook or Instagram. So Messenger, and I will recommend you to go with Advantage Plus because Facebook try to give you more and more result according to your service and business. Then click on see more, and here I can just select different content and things. Now I will click on next, and this is our ad. Like this one was campaign, this one was ad set, and this one is ad. So here you can give name to your ad. I will say ad 1. Here you can select your Instagram account. Okay, like if you have another Instagram account you can simply add here. Now in ad setup you have multiple options like single image or video, carousel, and carousel You have multiple options. In collection you have different products. So firstly I will show you the example of single image and carousel. Meta ads, single image versus video ad versus carousel. I come in images, and here you can see different type of ads. If I zoom in, as you can see in carousel we have multiple cards, like people can swipe. On single image we have only one image, and video, as you can see, only video, and slideshow we can add multiple videos. So, and canvas, and it's like instant experience, like combining images and videos. Here is another example of image ad. It look like here, as you can see, and this is the video ad, and this one is carousel, which have multiple images, and this one is collection. As you can see, different e-commerce ad shows, and this one is instant experience. I hope you understand these. Now I come back in ad manager. I will select single image or video, and just scroll down, and want here I need to select destinations, like where I want to send my traffic and people will go. I will go for instant experience, so I can create new instant experience. Here are different templates which I can use, but right now I just want to cut it and go with website or call or messaging app. I will just select on messaging app and select all of these apps. And then here is the important part where I can add my ad creative. So I will simply click on image ads. I just want to boost this ad, so you can create ad, but right now for just explaining you, I select this image to run as ad. Here you can select the resolution, then click on next, and this is the important part which has three different things. Firstly, primary text, headline and description, and you can select call to action. So firstly I will select primary text. For that I will recommend you to use ChatGPT. So I open my ChatGPT here. I give my creative image to ChatGPT and say I want to run awareness campaign for Sigma Realtors in Pakistan. These are the best realtors in Islamabad, Pakistan, and write ad copy including primary text, secondary text, primary text, headline and description, and enter. So now ChatGPT will write an engaging ad copy for you. So here you can see I just copy these ad copies data. I just scroll down, copy. Now I want to paste here. I use this one and this one and this one. So now it's call to action. You can simply send like I want to people to send messages. I can also choose contact now, book now, learn more. Let's say I say get code or contact us, and then done. So here is our ad is ready. So now I can set up different creatives for testing, but I will recommend you to just create different ads. Like this one is one ad, so I will create 5 version, and this will be optimized according to Meta Andromeda. I will select 5 or 6, 7, and if I give it name it to second, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I click on second. I will click here on edit and remove media. I will select again add media and add image, upload from computer. Like I want to use this one. I'm just teaching you just for explaining that how you can use multiple add creatives and copies for better optimization. I'll go for next and done. So you can also change the ad copy of this ad. So simply you have to follow the same procedure. Go here and add image and give prompt to ChatGPT. And once you will set up these all with different images and text, so you will just simply click on review to publish, so your campaign will be live. So one more thing I want to add here, like there are two things, like if someone will call you the ad copy is the text which we use in ads, like this one, primary text. As you can see, this is ad copy, primary text, headline and description. And another thing is ad creative, like this image is ad creative, this image is ad creative. And now let's jump to our other campaign type. I will just close. I will come here in campaign. So you will find this issue once you will here. So you can just click here on add set and then campaign. So you can also exclude this one, and this one. And if you want to like pause the campaign, simply you can pause from here and you can on from here. Okay, so now I just click on create another campaign. So this time our objective will be traffic. I will click on continue. Here you have two options. The first one is recommended and the second one is manual traffic, in which you only go with advantage plus audience, like you have everything advantage plus, and in this you have manual control. So I will go with manual traffic setup, and I will always recommend you to go with this, and click on continue. Here you have to give name to your campaign, like it's same as other, and here you can also select your budget. like on campaign level, on ad set level. So right now I just want to include as ad set level, and I will uncheck this one. Like I want to give uh, my budget to two ad set equally. Like I will give 500 to both ad account, sorry, both ad sets. And here I don't want to turn A/B test. And if you want to run A/B test, simply you can select what would you like to test. Like I want to test audiences, placement, and custom. You can select any rule. So mostly people do testing of creative and audience. Right. I will have two audiences. One is young people, one is old people. I can compare the result of both. And here you can select for how long time you can do a test and how you can compare performance. You can select different measuring uh, um, and here you can select different way to compare performance, and then you have to select categories if you want to include. Click on next, and it's same, like you can select conversion on website, message destination, Facebook or Instagram and Facebook, and calls. Right now I just want to send traffic on Instagram and Facebook. I click here. So now you can see I have option maximum number of Instagram profile visits. So I will just go, I will select Instagram, okay. If I select for Facebook, it will be show for Facebook as well. Like people will also visit on Facebook. But as you can see, I will create two ad set, one for Facebook and one for Instagram. So I can see the which one, like I will give budget equally to both of them. Here I can select the budget. I will give it 500. You can select start date, end date, and here you also have the same things like locations and everything. Most of the settings are exactly same. You can also select your audience, age, gender, and everything else you can find here. Like you can select the placement where you want to show your ad. Like you can see here, manual placement. I want to show only on Instagram here. I uncheck Facebook. I scroll down, and here I also have another option now, which is devices. Like if I want to go at show ad only to people who use iPhone, so it will show to them. And I can also select iPhone variants like iPhone 15 Pro Max. As you can see, different iPhones. We can target iPhone 16, like 15 Pro Max, 15 Plus, every device you select. But here you can see all of the iPhone devices, and you can select the OS variants, and you have very good tools here. And then click on next, and here you also have same settings. Like you can set up creatives. You can just follow the same thing. You have to select the creative, you have to write a good ad copy for that, and everything else is same as others. So now I just want to close this one, and I come back in campaigns, and now I click on create new one and select the engagement. Like if you want to maximum likes on your post, you want messages on WhatsApp, so this objective will be great for you. So go for manual setup again. I will go for continue. and here I can just add manual campaigns. uh, all things are exactly same. I will just click on next, and here you can just duplicate your ad set. So simply it will be duplicated. If you want to delete, you can delete from here. So now I just want to click on next. Now I want maximum number on my WhatsApp. Like if you want maximum number of WhatsApp queries, so you can simply click here. You can uncheck these two. You can simply select WhatsApp if you want to run on messages on all of them, so it will be also good for you. And here you can select maximum number of conversions, maximum number of link clicks, so you always go with maximum number of conversions. And there are other options, like if you want to get maximum number of likes, video views on your ad, post engagement, like people will like and comment on your post, event responses, like people will click on your event, attend, and reminder set. All these things you can choose, and here you can select maximum 2-second continuous views and through play views. And there is also a call option. You can send people to website and Instagram and Facebook. Like I also want people to like my Facebook page, so I will say maximum number of Facebook page. These all tools are available in engagement section. So all other things are exactly same. Then go for next, and here you also need to create your ad and ad copy. You can write set up creative image or video. You can choose image from, like I can choose image from my page. Here you can see on page I can choose this image to run it. Here you can only write the primary text. I will go with this and paste here and done. Here you have multiple options. Like you can test 5 creative at a time. You can set website events like blah 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 and publish. I click on close. I just click on create new campaign, and here is my favorite and most important part, leads. I will continue. I will say new leads campaign 1. Just scroll down and select the categories. If you want to run for housing, mortgages and home insurance, you can go with that. I will go for next. I will go with instant form, and here you will find this error. To resolve this error, you can simply click on view terms and agree and continue. You can also send lead messages to WhatsApp and website and calls, but right now I just want people to fill out form. So you can select your cost per goal result, but leave it until you don't have enough data. And here you can select budget. I would recommend you to run with at least 5,000 per day. If you're running for real estate, then set up your end date, but I don't want to set, because when I need, I will just close the campaign. Now in location, I select the Islamabad, and here you can select Islamabad, Punjab, not a Punjab. Like I want to go back, I select Islamabad. And you also need to sure about the location which you are selecting, because sometimes it shows location in another space. Like I will explain you. I click here Islamabad, Islamabad capital territory, Islamabad. As you can see, the first one Islamabad is the capital, and the second one Punjab. Islamabad is in Punjab. So I exclude this one. Here I can see my main city. I'll just click here, and now I just want to give a direction to my uh, ID count. I'll select age and 28 and 60. I will not select the genders because I want leads, and I just click on next. Here I just need to set up instant form. So for instant form you click on create form. So firstly you have to give it name to your form. I will say instant lead form 1. Here you have two options, more volume and high intent. Always go for high intent, in which people can review their informations. And open means like people can share your form, and other people can fill, and restricted only those people who show the ad can submit your form. Click on next. I will say book your apartment today. And just Sigma Realtors are the best realtors in Islamabad. I'm just writing a random things just to explain you that how your form will show. As you can see, it's coming here. Uh, just swipe, scroll down and click on next. Here you can see these three details. If you want to add custom questions, you can simply click here. Like I want to add questions, I click on multiple choice. I will say what type of apartment, type of apartment you are looking for. Now I select the options: studio, fun bed, two bed, and you can also add another question, like I ask short question. What's your WhatsApp number? What is your WhatsApp number? And you can also apply conditional logic to these questions. For that you can write conditional questions, and I also made a videos on this lead generation, so you must watch this. So for now I will just continue with it. Click on next, and I will say this www.thehamidkhan.com slash privacy. Policy. My form will show like this. Continue and next and done. Like at the end I want to people to visit on my website, or they can just chat on my WhatsApp. Like after submitting form they have option to send message on WhatsApp and click on create forms. And now you need to add your add creative. For add creative I just simply lead maturing, don't want follow up. Click on setup creative. I will select video ad. I'll upload from gallery. I'll just swipe down, and just for an example I select any random video. Like I select this one. I'll go next. Here I will write add copy. So for this I will recommend you to write at least 5 primary text and 5 headlines and 5 description. This will help you to optimize your campaign. And simply you just come in ChatGPT, you have to provide your image and give a prompt. Write 5 ad copies of this ad. So Meta will write add 5 ad copies, so you have to copy and paste all the copies here in your campaign, and then click on next. You have to also focus on this. Like I want, click on book now or in cart now, click on next and done. And here you can publish your campaign. So now I just leave it. And now I want to run ad for app promotions. Like if you want to promote any app, you can simply click on continue. It is also same, but it is different. Here you have same options, and you can choose the campaign, which is iOS 14 plus, and you can also run A/B test. But now I just want to only promote Android app. So click on next. Like I want to run ad for Facebook. Here you have to search the website app on Play Store. So I want to run it on Facebook. For Facebook, here I can select the people of country, but right I don't want. Here is the main objective, like maximum number of app install, and you can also select maximum number of click, app events. Like you can also select the sign up and anything else. Click on next. You can select your Facebook page, your thread profile if you have, but right now I don't have any thread profile. Simply you can select your ad account, your ad image, and everything else exactly same. For deep link URL, you can just create and paste here. You can also connect Play Store source, and these are things which are the common, and then publish. There is nothing rocket science in that. I will click close. Here you can see we created all type of campaign. So now the only sales campaign remains. Click on continue. Don't show again. Everything else is same. Just click on continue next. So I want to send traffic on website. If you are selling something through WhatsApp, you can simply select message destination. So you can choose WhatsApp for that, and in manual you can exclude Messenger and only run on WhatsApp. And then you have to different options, like as you do with others, control audiences, and you can also create different segments, placement, and next. Now you can select this Facebook page. It's showing already because my page category is different and already linked with another account. So it's exactly same, but I will recommend you to use uh, CBO campaign budget for Andromeda optimization campaign budget, and then create at least 8 to 10 ads with different image and video ad for better understanding, and then click on publish, so your ad will be published. So these are the major things in campaign. So now I click come in all tools, and here you can see different tools. So firstly I will just teach you about audiences. I come here, I click on leave this page. So how you can create audience? First of all, you can create a custom audience. Custom audience means you want someone to retarget, like if someone visited your website and you want to show ad again to them. If someone watched your video, so you can also show ad to those people. Instagram account, lead form, you can do everything. I just click videos, I click next. I will select engagement, like people who watched more than 10 seconds. I'll click done. Retention, I will click 30 days. Audience name, video, 10 sec audience. Then I will click on create. So here I can select video, but right now I don't have any video, so you can simply select and then on create audience you can create audience. Same with lookalike audience. If you have created audience, so you have to find audience from here, and then for that you can choose the lookalike percentage and then create a lookalike audience. I also made a complete video on that, so you have to watch it. So I think if you are a beginner and want to learn meta ads from scratch, this video will be enough for you, and there are some other videos detail about meta ads which you will find in my description. Thank you so much.